Hey everybody, traveling tramps here in Arizona where we're spending 3 months outside of Nogales, Arizona. We're up by Arbica, Arizona now, or that's the closest town, about 10 miles away. But we got a special guest with us. WaysideWade, all the way from Wisconsin, is down here. And he's visiting us for, well, we got
Yeah.
2 months left here. He can stay as long as he'd like. And
Maybe I'll stay for a week.
a week.
We'll see.
Beautiful weather.
That's very nice.
Sun's up in the sky. We watched a lot of videos today of people that were in the snow and the cold.
Yeah.
But it's great to have Wade with us. We're out in the middle of nowhere. And guess what we found? And we've been looking for some cheap real estate in Arizona. Let's go take a look at it. Adzey, this is the type of place you go to. Old abandoned buildings out in the middle of nowhere. That's Adzey 156. He's got a great YouTube channel. I'll put a link in the description. But it's WaysideWade, Kathy and myself. We're out here taking a stroll. The Spanish first brought cattle ranching to what's now Arizona in the late 1600s. In 1854, the U.S. purchased this part of Mexico in the Gadsden Purchase and became part of the New Mexico Territory. Arizona wouldn't become a state until 1912. There's no telling when this homestead was built. I did a little bit of research and couldn't find anything out about this particular homestead. You know, we're really out here in the middle of nowhere. You can see the mountains. We're probably a good mile and a half from the road. So this was probably built before the road. There might have been a horse and buggy trail out here. Wade says that's a cow ramp right over here for unloading the cattle. I suppose they pull a truck or a wagon up to that and unload the cattle.
As far as I know.
And over here is the old homestead. Beautiful trail to get out here. But it must have been a rugged life living out here. Even a kitchen sink here today. So they had running water. We did see a well right over here. And there is the river here at times.
It's like this burnt charcoal wood.
Yeah. You know, that's right. We did notice that last time. It looks like there might have been a fire at one time. Did you see the burnt wood hanging down here? Right over the overhangs, the beams. What do you think of this place?
I don't know.
I don't think this is going to work as a boomerang. Like that belongs to an old chair.
And this is where we found stockpiles of water a few years ago. We're not that far from the border. We're only about 3-4 miles from the border. And there's a lot of illegal immigration going on. Oh yeah. So that's how they ran the plumbing from the well. Kind of an interesting find here, like a little grotto. It's right out by the family Homestead ruins. And it looks like they could have been looks like some kind of a religious grotto or monument. Newman. It says something on the things here, but it's pretty faded away. Newman, Loman. So that might have been the name of the people that had settled out here. I don't know.
I found the front steps.
Found the front steps?
We don't have to go out the way we came in.
Yeah. Yeah, we came in a pretty poor trail. We were on a good trail, and then we saw the ruins. Kathy and I have actually been here before, and we knew we got back to them somehow. About a mile in, mile and a half maybe. But this should be an easier trail to get out. We hope. We got WaysideWade leading the pack. Check out WaysideWade's channel too. His link will be in the description.
All vintage vehicles. No more of this stuff on my channel.
No more ruins on Wade's channel, he says. All vintage vehicles.
I was hoping that this was a tractor, but not the case. It kind of looked like a grill at first. Nope, not a tractor. The old refrigerator, I think.
Old refrigerator, yeah.
Yeah, so this definitely would have been the camp area.
Yeah, I suppose they pulled the cattle up here on a wagon.
Yep.
And they'd offload down there and into the pen that's down below. Little barn next door.
Sturdy films. Little old railroad ties almost.
Yeah. So we want to thank you all for watching today. I think Kathy and I found our new home out here in Arizona, right behind us. And again, I shouted out Adzey before. I'd like you to check out his channel. He has a great YouTube channel. It's Adzey156. The link will be right below in the description. I'll link one of his videos to the end of this one. And go check out his channel. I think you'll like him. What do you think, Wade?
Oh, they'll like Adzey. If they like this, they're gonna like Adzey.
Yeah.
He's much more daring than us.
Yes, we're not doing it justice, Adzey. Love y'all.